Trying to install a Python library and ended up with a WHL file you need to deal with? This is the modern Python package distribution format that makes installations fast and reliable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to install and inspect these Python wheel packages. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional WHL file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. A WHL file is a pre-compiled software package for the Python programming language. Developers and system administrators use these files to install Python libraries and dependencies efficiently using the pip installer. It's a built distribution format that allows for faster installation than source distributions. The WHL format is essentially a zip archive, with a specially formatted file name and a dist-info directory containing package metadata. This design was created to provide a standardized, ready-to-install format that avoids the need to build the package from source, simplifying deployment across different systems. Historically, the main tool for managing the WHL type has been Python, pip installer, by Python Software Foundation. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows cannot always interpret compressed structures, so decompression software is necessary. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the WHL file and select Open With. Try Python, pip installer, as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If the WHL file is still giving you trouble, relax. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, installing with pip. Open a terminal or command prompt and run pip install. Path-to package WHL to install the wheel directly. Pip handles dependency resolution and places the package in your Python environment site packages directory. Use a virtual environment to isolate the installation from your system Python configuration for project-specific dependencies. Next, inspecting contents. Rename the WHL file to .zip or use 7-zip to browse the archive contents without installing. Examine the dist-info directory for metadata showing package details and dependencies. The record file lists all included files, which is useful for troubleshooting installation issues or auditing package contents before installation. Finally, building wheels. Create your own wheels by running Python build or Python setup pybds wheel in a Python project directory. The build tool generates a WHL file in the dist folder ready for distribution to PyPI or local installation. Specify platform tags to control which systems can install the resulting wheel package. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.